to Katrina's Creations. Today we have a huge Santa sack from Lion Brand to unbox. I mean, it's the same thing as the mystery box. This is like incredibly oversized. You could stuff a bed pillow in this thing. So let's take a look at what is inside this ridiculously oversized package. I will find something to put in here though. Not to go to waste, because it is a fabric type of stuff. So anyway, let's take a look. Did the camera shake or what? Anyway, so here we go. This, just like the mystery box, it's 9 skeins, 3 skeins of each type. So the first one, and I do like this, this is color mandala watercolor. And what is the color? Let me open one of these. It's got purple in it. What can I say? We like purple. Ooh, it's really soft too. This has got to be a bulky. Yes, it is a 5 weight. It is 164 yards or 150 meters. And the color is called Icy Grape. Yes, this is like, it's like a single ply or a roving type of yarn. But look at that, that is so pretty. I like that, and it is really soft. It is 75% acrylic. Oh, it does have wool in it. 75% acrylic, 15% wool, and 10% nylon. It doesn't feel woolly though. It doesn't have that itch factor. But yeah, it's really pretty. Those of us who like purple will be very happy with this. So 3 skeins of that. Next we have 3 small skeins of Oh Baby organic yarn. It is 100% organic cotton. This reminds me of the yarn that I made a bunch of dishcloths out of that I got from Hobby Yarn. So let me look and see how much, start to say how much mileage is in here. The color is called Pink Rose. Well, yeah. And it is, here we go. It is a 50-gram ball. There's 180 yards, which is 165 meters. And like I said, it's 100% organic cotton. So here is what it looks like. So there you can see it. I have 3 skeins of that. No clue what I'm going to make with it because, yeah, it's cotton. It's pink. Out of all of my grandchildren, I only have 2 girls. One is going to be 19. I think she wants girly pink. And the other one is going to be, well, she just turned 10. So, yeah, maybe not so much. But maybe I could make something, you know, like some kind of a neck thing or something like that for the summertime that would be lighter. So we have that in pink. And then lastly, we have 3 skeins of, what is this? I have to open the bag, I can't read it. Hometown USA. And this is a real bulky weight. I'm thinking this is a 6. Yes, I was right. I'm getting so good at these size things. So anyway, it is a 6, which is a super bulky. And there are 4 ounces, which is equal to 64 yards or 59 meters. So I have 3 of those. So yeah. And this is pretty because it's kind of a smoky color. There you can see it. It is a smoky color. So it's grays and things, which I wear a lot of gray and black. So this will be perfect. So yes, this is Hometown USA. And this color is called Anchorage Ice. So I think it looks like smoke. But anyway, yeah, It's very pretty. I like all three of these. And now the question is, did I get the same thing that Kim got? Because we both ordered them together. So did we get the same thing? So yeah, that is what we got. We have lots of unboxing coming up. I've done a little shopping. For those of you who watched last week's Wednesday video, you will see that we went to go to the yarn shop over Christmas and it was closed. So I came home and ordered online, and some of that's coming in. So yeah, I've got some fleece yarn, or not yarn, fleece coming in to spin. I bought 2 pocketbooks. Those of us, it has nothing to do with yarn, but those of us who like pocketbooks, we'll look at those together. I ordered from Knit Picks. I ordered some yarn to make the yarn advent calendar yarn from Yoka, and so I bought some yarn from Knit Picks for that. I bought some yarn from Annie's. Not all of this is Christmas. I had a gift certificate or a gift card, and so I spent some of that. But I bought enough yarn to make an Afghan for the bedroom upstairs, which is the craft cave. So I bought some yarn from Annie's for that. And then I also watched Bag O' Day Crochet, and she opened up a knit crate mystery box. And it was a really good deal. The more I looked at it, I was like, yes, I'm gonna go do that. So that is coming as well. Plus I have the regular December knit crate, which I already have. I'm holding on to that until the rest of the knit crate comes in so I can show it to you all together. So yeah, we have several Wednesdays of some goodies to unbox and take peeks at. So that is it for today. Thanks all again for watching, and I will see you later. Bye everybody.